In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can change your crosshair color here in Roblox Rivals. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel. Lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, go ahead and go up to the top left corner, and what you're going to want to do is actually select the little gear icon right here, and in the option when it does say see more, go ahead and actually select change your crosshair and hotkeys. Up at the very top, go ahead and navigate over to the crosshair section right here and scroll down, and what you're going to look for is actually the bars color section right here. Go ahead and choose this, and from here it's going to pull up a color wheel. Simply go ahead and find whatever color you would like to change your crosshair to. For example, I could do something like blue, specifically like just Boz blue right here to make it match the channel, which does look pretty cool. But next, to match your center dot, what you're going to want to do is actually just copy this same code down here by just selecting it down here and copying it. And just scroll down on this page, and what you're looking for is the dot color option here. Select this, click on this little box down here, and then just paste this in here, and you'll be good to go. I actually like my center dot black, so I'm going to go ahead and keep it at that. But it really is as simple as that. Now you've changed your crosshair in Roblox Rivals. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel. Lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.